How to use your phone as a webcam on Streamlabs. So first you will need to go to your phone and then open up a browser, and then simply in the search bar you want to type video.ninja like this. Now once you're on this website, click on add your camera to OBS, which works as well with Streamlabs. And from this drop down right here for the video source, you can select your phone camera that you want to use. So for example, the back camera. And then you can choose also to include audio source. I'm going to choose no audio. Do not include audio source. And then click on the start button. And this should give you a URL at the top right here, which you can copy by clicking on the icon next to it, and then click on copy to clipboard. Now, once you copy this link or address at the top, you can basically paste it on Discord on your mobile, or you can basically type it manually on Streamlabs. So let's go to Streamlabs. Now on Streamlabs, go to sources and click on the plus icon right here, and then choose browse source or browser source. Click on add source, and then you can call this cam or webcam, whatever you want it. And then click on add source, and here you want to type or paste the URL that you copied from your phone. And as soon as you paste it, it should ask for firewall permissions, and then click on close to add it. Now you can basically adjust it right here on your scene, and as you can see, it's working with the camera from the phone and displaying it here. You can adjust the width and the height and the placement as any other camera. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you find this helpful, and see you on the next one.